Hey, this is shawnshawn. I sell art on eBay and off my website, shawnshawn.co. I have a tip of the day about e-guides. So usually most people have on their website, they'll have a little, contact, put your name, email, and that's all they put, right? That's fine for you have really die-hard fans. They may sign up, but you really want to have a reason why they want to get that email. So what I do is you design a whole bunch of e-guides. So you do how to collect art, common art frauds, art scams to look out for, how to frame your artwork, top 10 blog on top artists to collect, how do you recognize a collectible artist versus someone that's not going to be collectible. These type of topics that collectors are looking for. Put e-guides together and say, hey, you want to get this guide? And then you get an email. You want to get this guide? Get an email. Da, 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 da. And then all those email you can put into your newsletter, and then you'll just have a lot of email that way. And you can regularly post those on your Facebook group. Occasionally, maybe once every 3-4 weeks, you can put, hey, get this free guide. And then 3 weeks later, hey, get this free guide. Hey, and 3 weeks later, get this other free guide. And so if you do it sporadically, you can constantly take people from your Facebook page to your email list. And then you can obviously email them much more than the Facebook, while Facebook will only show maybe I don't know, I think it's like 7% of your group normally. And then if it's, if it's exciting, it might share it to more, right? If it's got a kind of a viral post, it'll share more. So you're always not going to reach that full amount unless you advertise against dollars and push against your own fan base and make sure they all get it. So this way with email marketing, once you get that email, it's going to be free. So you definitely want to make those e-guides, put them on your website, put them on your, and then occasionally post on your Facebook fan page. Maybe you want to post them as well on, say, LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is going to be kind of collectors, people looking for art jobs kind of crowd, people looking to collect. So you want to get those e-guides so you can get more email, and then you're going to build your email list faster.